When you update from one major version of IGEMS to another, for example, I've just updated from IGEMS 2021 to 2022, and if you have one of our 5-axis cutting heads, you'll need to copy over the folder that has the copies of the models of the various 5-axis cutting heads. I haven't done that yet, so if I go in and process this and go into the 3D Simulate, I'll get this error message about unknown head type, and then it'll show a generic 2D cutting head in the simulation. To copy over that folder that has the models, easiest thing to do is on your CAD tab, go to the System submenu, click on Shared Folder, and then navigate on to your C drive, go to your Program Files x86 folder, and then you go into your prior version of IGEMS, in this case 2021, and then Res, Sim 3D, and then you can just right click and copy this override folder. This has all the various models. And then you can go back up and go into the new IGEMS 2022, and then to that same location, Res, Sim 3D, right click, paste, and depending on your network permissions, you may need to have IT provide a password at this point to do this. And then if you go into that folder, there should be a bunch of files in there now. And if you go back and simulate, you should no longer get that error message. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.